Introducing Deriv, our leading trading platform designed to suit your trading style. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced trader, you'll feel at home with Deriv. With a powerful, robust suite of trading tools accessible in a simple layout, we are sure you'll love. Whether you're on a mobile, tablet, or a desktop, Deriv adapts to the way you trade. Deriv gives you multiple markets, accessible on one screen, allowing you to trade, monitor, and adjust your positions 24/7. With fully customizable layouts, cutting-edge charts, watch lists, and real-time alerts, you're in control, giving you the opportunity to seize market opportunities. Manage your funds. With the built-in cashier, you can monitor multiple accounts, deposit, withdraw, and transfer funds securely and reliably. Analyze trades. Whether you're using basic technical analysis or you're looking for more advanced indicators, Deriv has you covered with powerful charting and indicators, all in real time. And while many brokers are closed at weekends, Deriv gives you access to our unique synthetic indices and cryptocurrencies, available to trade at any time. Like you, Deriv is evolving, and we are not resting on our 21 years of success. New tools, features, and markets will continue to be added. We are by your side. Ready to discover the Deriv difference? Then go to deriv.com/Deriv and download the app today.